Cancer is often associated with chemotherapy. However, worldwide, multiple studies have shown that not all cancer patients benefit from adding chemotherapy to the treatment regime. Worldwide, there are about 2 million breast cancer patients are diagnosed every year, and India accounts for 1.8 lakh patients per year out of that. Traditionally, cancer has been treated with a one-size-fits-all kind of approach. All cancer patients get surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, and followed in case of breast cancer with a hormone therapy. However, chemotherapy, as we all know, has multiple side effects which can really bring down the quality of life of the patients. It can be beneficial in late stages, but when the patient is diagnosed with an early stage disease, the benefit of chemotherapy has been realized to be about maximum of 10 to 15% of the patients. So clinicians often face the dilemma as to which cancer patients to treat with chemotherapy, given the fact that only about 10 to 15% of early stage breast cancer patients benefit from chemotherapy. And this is exactly where prognostic tests help to solve to answer the dilemma that the clinicians face on a day-to-day basis. Prognostic tests essentially help you to understand the tumor biology. If the tumor biology is very aggressive, the chances that the cancer will recur in the patient's body are high. And in such a situation, the patient would benefit from adding chemotherapy to her regime in addition to surgery, radiation, and endocrine therapy. On the contrary, if the tumor biology is less aggressive, then the patient can forego chemotherapy and can just have surgery, radiation, and endocrine therapy. So prognostic tests essentially assess the biology of the tumor and classify the tumor as less aggressive or highly aggressive. And the patients who have a less aggressive tumor can forego chemotherapy, whereas patients with a highly aggressive tumor would benefit from adding chemotherapy to their regime. CanAssist Breast is one such example of a prognostic test that is developed and validated on Indian and Asian patients. It is currently being used in India and near India markets and has helped more than 1,000 patients in this region. We hope to be able to reach we hope to be able to help patients in Southeast Asia with CanAssist Breast in the coming year. And really the goal is to really help identify which early stage breast cancer patients have a less aggressive disease and thereby avoid chemotherapy, avoid all of the side effects of it, and the financial burden that causes to chemotherapy costs on patients as well as on the insurance and government schemes. And we look forward to working with more countries in the coming year. Thank you.